channel, and tonight we are cooking chicken tacos. We just got back from Walmart and we went to the market. For the market we just got everything except for the meat, and then from Walmart we just got chicken and then onions. So yeah, we're gonna take y'all with us as we make chicken tacos tonight.
Yeah, man.
Get the chicken. I'm gonna clean this. This chicken's already been cleaned. It's just cutting up, and then this is uncooked chicken. And then we're using Crisco, and these are the pots we're gonna cook our chicken in. Seasoning, and then sliced fajita mix. And these have yellow onions, green peppers, and red peppers in them. I'm going to cook our vegetables. Also, our onions and bell pepper mix is finished, and now we're cooking our chicken. We seasoned it with about a half a pack of this, maybe. Yeah, about a half a pack of taco seasoning mix, and we're just cooking our chicken. This is our chicken just mixed together with all the seasonings and the peppers and onions. So our chicken is done, and now we're just going to wrap our tacos.
To show this part, but this is her when she grubs down on her tacos. Ain't that right? Not very happy, but definitely going in the video.
Because I have a full mouth of braces. Hey y'all, so we are done making our tacos. I just wanted to come on and make a quick thumbnail and close out the taco vlog. Bye y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment below what you want to see us cook next.
Peace, y'all.